Well, hello there, everybody. Thanks for coming back to Guided Gifts. Oh, I hope everybody's doing well. I just did a lap around outside and just about froze to death. And then, of course, what do you do after that? You come in, you do a reading. Why not? Oh, for everybody, I decided we're going to start calling this the Daily Dose. Yeah, that way I don't have to keep saying that, you know, this is a general message for the collective. I think we all know that by now. So we're just gonna call this the Daily Dose. It's for everybody. It's not science specific. It's just whatever comes out, comes out. If it's relevant to you and it resonates with you, that's awesome. If not, you can always go back and look at any of the other videos. Always read the title, because if the title resonates, chances are that's for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you share, it gets it out to more people. And then if you feel so inclined to donate to help me keep this going, because I'm really enjoying spending time with everybody, feel free to do that. The information's in the section below, and it's also in my About. Alright, so now that I have shuffled enough for 55 decks, let's go ahead and get some of that daily dose. Alright, Spirit, what do we have today? What do we have today? What's going on today? Alright. First card is Caterpillar, Opportunity. You say it cat-er-pillar. I like this card. It's pretty. All right, Opportunity. So somebody's got an opportunity here. Next one, Fool's Embrace, Transmuting Pain. And Sky Dancers, Surrender. I kind of feel like someone here has the opportunity to heal from something if they would just release it. Like, all you gotta do is release something. And then here comes your opportunity. Cat or pillar. Huh, that's interesting. Huh. Well, you know, they say the harder you hold on to something, the harder it pulls away. That's where we get hurt. Hanging on for dear life. It's also where we learn lessons. It's opportunities for lessons. See what Tarot's got to say about it. Let's see what Tarot has to say. I hope everybody had a good day today. Okay, we got first card out is Ace of Swords, which is the truth. Okay, so someone's saying that all of this business, let me see. Yeah, taking your pain and just surrendering and learning from it it's an opportunity. There's something going on right here that's presenting you some type of an opportunity to either learn from a painful situation, I feel like you could actually reap something from moving through and surrendering some type of a painful situation. And I think that's where the Ace of Swords comes in, just confirming that's the truth. It's the truth. Whatever this is, there's a truth here. Whoops. All right, we got 3 of Wands waiting. Someone here is waiting. Waiting for something. They're waiting for somebody to see the truth. All right. Okay. Okay. That's all right. For somebody to see the truth. So, I think somebody's been walking around blindfolded for a while. I feel like deep down you kind of know, whatever the situation is, that it's not everything that it's cracked up to be. It's not. You know what the real deal is. And that's the truth. Shh, I won't tell nobody. I won't tell nobody that you actually know. Because we all know. Deep down. We just won't admit it. So let's figure this out. What's this truth? Oh, 9 of Swords. Whatever this truth is, it's causing some anxiety, some sleepless nights. Someone can't stop thinking about it. Let's get some more. And they're tired. They're tired. All of the, well, yeah, if you don't sleep at night, you're going to be tired. 4 of Swords is rest. Healing from some heartache. All right. So I think maybe this has to do with a relationship of some type. We won't label it. You go ahead and do that. Queen of Swords. I think this is you. I think this is you. You know the truth. You know the deal. But you've been keeping yourself up at night, worried about this, not wanting to really see what it is. But Queen of Swords. Sorry, having some issues. Don't say nothing. Queen of Swords is logic. She's not. She won't just be mean. I mean, she's logical. She's been through a few things in life. And so she's a little worse for the wear, but she understands that in life you have to go through things in order to grow and learn. She's maybe a little rough around the edges and her delivery isn't the best, but she's all about the truth and using your head. So maybe you guys are at that point right now where you're just so tired, you have nothing better to do than use your head. Yeah, that's usually what happens. You have to have like a coming to Jesus moment. 4 Cups, wishing things would have gone differently. Yeah, that's totally understandable. Alright, let's get some more cards. Okay. 8 of Pentacles. I think someone put a lot of work into this. Put a lot of time and effort. And I think they're now seeing things. I think because they were working so hard on things that they didn't want to see that all their hard work might not be going in the direction that they want it to. Six of Swords. Someone going to a more peaceful place. This is after a battle. This is after fighting and confusion and chaos and, just anger and probably yelling and screaming and, just downright dirty fighting. It's when you're done. You're done. You're finished. You want peace. Someone here wants peace. There's a lot of thoughts going on here. That's the truth. Okay. Seven of Cups. That's illusions. That's choices. That's be careful what you choose. And I think someone has thought about this and has decided to choose peace. Yeah. I think they're tired of living in a blindfolded, illusionary state. They realize that things didn't go quite the way they expected. Yeah, it's toxic. The Devil. That is a codependent, toxic attachment. Yeah. I think someone wished it would have gone differently, but then they realize now what it really was. And for the longest time, they were blocked. They were like, I don't want to see this. I don't want to hear it. I don't have time. I'm busy working. But I think someone here now they want peace in their life. You know, you can only do that for so long. You can only be in a toxic environment before you just, coming out of grief. Someone has learned from this heartbreak, and they don't want to hurt anymore. We have Two of Pentacles. I think whoever this was, I feel like they were being juggled. If this is you, collective, I think there was juggling going on, and I think that's what caused you to be in your head for so long over this. There you go. Walking away from pain. Walking away from hurt. Choosing yourself. Choosing self. One more. Page of Wands. An exciting new... Look at that. Exciting new adventure with victory. See what happens when you choose yourself. See what happens. See what happens. You get something exciting that comes in, and you are winning. That's awesome. See, this is this opportunity. Oh my goodness. I love it when they all match. That's my favorite. So when you transmute that pain, and it's painful. It's painful. But when you walk away and you choose yourself and you choose not to sit in pain anymore, you get victory. Victory. And that's when transmuting that pain and you surrender and let God have it, the divine, whoever it is that holds everything that's dear to you. We surrender that, all of that to that, and that's when the opportunity presents itself. So awesome. I love when a plan comes together. All right, so that's what we got for tonight. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We're going to do this again probably tomorrow. And again, I think, what did I already forgot what we're going to call it. We're going to call it the Daily Dose. That's it. The Daily Dose. So there you go. That's your Daily Dose. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.